Having produced a plot, let's try to make it look nice. It's not too hard to produce really professional looking plots in MATLAB, and the MATLAB style is ubiquitous in published scientific work, especially in mathematical sciences and engineering. In fact, the MATLAB plotting capabilities are so well regarded that in the open source Python programming language you can download a package called matlibplot that essentially reproduces the plotting syntax and styles of MATLAB. If you learn how to make nice plots in MATLAB, then you'll be able to straightforwardly adapt to producing plots in Python if you need to. Let's first open the property editor. So select Edit, Figure Properties. From here we can select different parts of the figure to see different options. So for example, if we select the axes, then we'll get properties that we can set, such as titles, whether we want to show the grid lines on or not. Limits of the axes will go from -pi to pi here. We can also select here to change the labels that are shown on the tick marks on the axes if we want to, or the location of them. We can turn minor grid lines on and off. Well, that's the minor ticks. So what that does, watch what happens to the values between 0 and 1 here. Get these little tick marks included. We can add labels to the axes. I've added theta here, and we can change the font as well from here. Let's make them a bit bigger. So that's all properties of the axes. We can select one of the lines, and we can change things like the colour or the line style. Or the thickness. You can select the More Properties button to see a full list of options that are available for you to set. The majority of these might seem rather cryptic, but you can always look them up if you want to do something really fancy. All of the plot properties can also be set from the command window if you know the correct syntax. However, not all of the properties are easy to set this way.